Mdala! What up, Corona YouTube's your boy the official, and we back with another video. Well, another POV video, because you guys have been requesting for me to make another one. So with that being said, here we are doing it again. And today I'm not sure if we're going to be a bit tame or we're going to be reckless as per usual. You can't leave traction. Oh nah, come on. You get me, boys? I'm not sure if I want to put the rear one open, but yeah, man, I'd like to give you guys a huge thank you for getting the video to 5,000 ish. So yeah, thank you guys so damn much, and here's my thank you to you guys as we have another POV video for you guys. So yeah, you guys said I must stop talking, or somebody in the comments said I must stop talking and do more driving. So in today's video I won't really do as much talking as I used to. So with that being said, boy, yes, get to it, boy. Once again, kids are out of school, so with that being said, boy, I don't know what's gonna happen. So yeah, all these eyes once again. So I don't really know. Hey man, I'm a shy little boy. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking. My bad. Don't forget to like and comment what other things you'd want to see. You get me? Look at all these people, boy. All these eyes, boy. Like, oh, thank you, boy. You get me? All these eyes, boy. So that was the first time somebody actually said they like my driving. You get me? This thing is gonna annoy me, I can't even lie. I'm going that way. Should let my boy do his shit. Woohoo! Yeah, man. We in it. Like boy. Whoa, man, this thing is so amazing, but I can't even lie. Like boy, like this shit's so fucking amazing. So damn amazing. Then a nigga drives slow. Like what? Like boy, taking this shit sideways is like, it's so fucking amazing, boy. Like you guys, okay, most of you guys, you do chew, you drink, you smoke, you do all of that nonsense, right? My release from the world is driving. or doing nonsense or doing what? I don't know what I'm saying. I'm sorry. So okay, I'ma keep quiet. From now on, I'ma keep quiet. Sorry. You get me? Sorry. I'ma keep quiet. Oh, niggas driving hella slow though, yo. Woo-wee. It just makes me so happy making the kids smile, man. Like, I can't even believe this shit. Like, I'm getting goosebumps right now, boy. boy, this shit makes me so happy, boy. Undala! I never put myself into shit, boy. That nigga's always there, boy. Like that nigga always there, boy. Like. I hope you guys are really loving these POVs, boy. Like, there's another one coming on the 22nd. I'ma tease it now before it even happened. But like, on the 22nd, I'm recording another POV for you guys. And yeah, I'm not sure if that's gonna be like crazier than this. But with that being said, boy, I'ma shut my mouth again because you guys like when I shut my mouth and just drive. So I hope you guys really like turn this one up because you guys got the other one to 5,000 in 2 weeks. So I'ma bend this corner, boy. I'ma send it at this corner. Aish. I'ma bend the corner, boy. Oh my days. Yeah, I'ma bend the corner. Wait for this car to pass. I'ma bend the corner. Woo! Like, who doesn't like the smell of tires, boy? Like, the tires are hot now. The tires are hot now. Okay, I'm going home. Thank you guys for watching my video. I'm not sure if the sound is going to be okay, because I can feel the wind by my ears. So I'm not sure how it's going to react with the camera. So yeah, but I'm sure this is going to be enough for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, obviously, you get me. So I am going home, guys. Thank you. I really enjoyed this, boy, but I think I'm going to I'm going to eat on the tires if I carry on. So this was just like a thank you for you guys getting my video to 5,000 subscribers. What am I saying? 5,000 views. I'm already manifesting 5,000. That's crazy. But like it's it's just like a thank you for getting the video to 5,000. And yeah, and let me chill, boy. You get me? Play a bit of music for you niggas. Yo wait, yo wait, yo wait. Oh yeah, yo wait. Now we chilling, you get me? Put the seat in the comfort position. Hey.